This thing actually is not expensive.
Yeah, how much did you buy this one?
This I bought 2,050 shekel.
Yeah.
To buy the drone, and then
yeah, but this is original.
Yeah, it's Mavic.
Yeah, it's original.
Then I bought storage. This is
the memory
256, and then external hard is 2 terabyte. In Elat they are very cheap. In Tel Aviv it's very expensive.
Wow.
If you need anything, phones, these down
cheap
to
that
Elat.
side.
In Elat, yes. I smashed it last time.
But I hope you know how to do it now.
I know.
You don't throw away the 2,000 shekel. I lost mine.
Happened.
Yeah. Oh, guys, welcome to Crack TV. Bringing out the crack in you. So today we're gonna be interview all these crackheads. Yes. Hello, sir. So let's fly the drone first. Yeah, this is beautiful. Where is it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I see it. Wow. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, I have to go and learn this, you know. And you are not in Tel Aviv.
Yeah, this is the problem.
You see, I always admit what I don't know. This guy is flying the drone perfectly. Yes. So I have to learn from him. I lost mine, though it wasn't expensive, but this one is expensive. So yeah, if I want to buy expensive one like this, then I have to learn.
Yes.
Yeah.
I went the hard way because I chose to learn with the expensive one.
Oh yeah.
So I crashed it 3 times, but it's part of learning. Yeah. And I appreciate it. But now I can fly. You see, I fly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you see it?
Yes.
Wow, you have a good eyes, eh?
Also, the one thing.
Okay, yeah, I see.
One thing you need to know about the drone: always try to keep your eyes.
Yeah, where it is.
Yes, then it will be easy. It will be easy for you.
Otherwise, it would go. You just lost it. Yeah.
Yes. You see. See now.
Yeah. So bring it.
I bring it home.
Yeah.
You see.
And take it slow. It's going good. It's good. Yo, good. Yeah. The Sea of Galilee. So we are here to swim the summer and have a lunch. And we are looking for a spot where we can sit and have a lunch. And I believe here is a good place. No tables. A lot of people have they've taken over the tables, you know.
Bye.